Right, okay, well let's go on to the US pre-market movers and levels.
Okay, well, we start with a stock that's probably not that familiar to European viewers, but Nordstrom Inc., ticker JWN. It's a fashion retailer in the States. $74, up 3.6% pre-market, and the US retailer rallies as it sells or announces the sale of its credit card portfolio to TD Bank for around $2.2 billion. On the back of that, it's announced a $1 billion share buyback and a special dividend for shareholders, I believe, of around $4.85 a share. So quite good news if you're a Nordstrom holder. And staying in the tech sector, I mean, just touched on PMC Sierra. Micron Technology reported last night. MU is the ticker there, another one of the chip stocks that's been under pressure. $15.65 pre-market, up just a shade under 6%. They posted an earnings beat last night, which wasn't anticipated, and the market likes what it saw there. However, interestingly, the market has ignored a lighter guidance that was hidden deep in the earnings report, which suggests to me that there's been a bit of a short covering exercise going on in the shares of this one. That may well continue into the main session. And in terms of levels to watch, all in all, it's been quite a pedestrian week for European cash equities. FTSE, we've put 6,100 for its round number value as potential support today. 6,170 will be the level that we'd need to punch through to make further gains. For the DAX, round numbers at both ends now, 9,600 on the downside to play 9,700 on the upside. S&P and the Dow really haven't done very much at all this week so far. 1,915 on the downside for the S&P, plays 1,935 to the upside, and for the Dow, 16,270 is our downside level, plays 16,373 to the upside. Obviously, that could all change at 1:30.
A bit more normal, let's say.
And then currency-wise, the euro a little bit easier against the dollar, so 111.35 today on the downside, plays 111.80 to the upside. The Aussie dollar is testing at that 70 handle once more, so we go with 70 even on the downside, plays 70.44 to the upside. Dollar yen, it's all gone quiet over there, if I can use the football parlance. 120.04 on the downside, plays 120.54 to the upside, and in cable, 151.30 to the downside, plays 151.97 on the upside, ahead of next week's Bank of England meeting.
Right, so everything on key numbers there, 151 is all the sort of support areas there.
Absolutely.
Looking at that.